Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See what we have seen, crude has already made a half around $87.77. After that there is a fall we have seen, and this fall is still to a level of 84.75. Okay, now it is trying to go upside, and we have seen that it has already moved above a level of $85.5, which I've already explained you is a strong resistance. So now it is trading above this level, and now this has become a strong support. Okay, so probability of further upside, we can see there is a continuous upside we have seen, and if you look at the dollar index also, there is a higher we can see, and mostly the crude is moving along with the dollar prices. What we have seen in last few months, chances are very high that if the price sustain this level, a level of around 104.5 in the dollar index, a further upside we can see. And as soon as the price started going up a level of 104.9, a further high we can see, and a probability of crossing a level of 105. There is a chances that as soon as the price started going above that level, a further upside we can see. But if the price started falling below level 103.9, a further downfall we can see, and from there a probability of 103 we can see. And if the price started falling below that particular level, a further fall. But if you look at the chart, what you have seen, what we can see that suppose if the price didn't sustain the crude prices, okay, then we can see it has to go below a level of 85.5, because as soon as the price started going below this level, this is a strong support. So there is a probability that we can see it will move further low. If you see, looking at the dollar index, there is a continuous upside we can see. So we can see if the dollar index is moving upside, we can see the crude is also moving upside. Okay, so as soon as the started going over level of 104.5, chance of touching 104.9 will be there, and then to a level of 105. The crude is also moving upside. But as soon as the price of dollar index started going below 104, then only we can see the crude price can go further down. This is what we have seen in last few weeks. So suppose if the price sustain this level, because it is already of this particular good resistance, so chances are high if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards 87.13, and if the price going above that level, we will see a level of 87.66. Suppose if the price going above that particular zone, chances are very high it will go further upside, and it will touch a level of $88.9, $19, and from there it will cross a level of 89.13. Once the price started going up this level, we will see it will touch a level of $92.13, and from there it will move towards a level of 93, and then a further upside movement we can see. Keep that in mind. There is a chances that it can cross a level of $95 if the price keep moving above a level of $90. But as I've already explained you, market is always uncertain. If you look at this trend also, we have seen there is a volatility. So you have to put your SL as per that. So if you putting a small SL but the volatility is higher, then your SL will hit. So you have to decide how to put your SL. This is what I teach all this in my workshop. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that, and we can work on the timings. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of 85.5, and as soon as the price started going below this level, it will touch a level of 84.64. Okay, and once the price started falling below 84.64, chances of touching a level of 83 will be there, and from there a probability of going towards 80.75. Once the price started going below 80.75, then probability of touching 79.76 will be there, and from there a level of around 77. Once the price started falling below 77, then we can see yes, there will be a probability that it can come down, and probability of touching 75 will be there, and then it can go towards 74. As soon as the price started going below 77, I'll make another video explaining you where it will go. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,